Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. It's been raining a lot since this morning. That's why I thought let's come up with some hilsa recipe today. I will make mustard hilsa recipe in Bengali, shorshe ilish. First I cut and washed the hilsa fish, and now I will make a paste of mustard, chili and salt. Now make a paste. This is the paste of pepper, mustard and salt. Also I will make a onion paste. I will cook this curry with mustard oil. Now I will add all the spices, cumin, onion and garlic paste and many more spices such as salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, etc. I will cook these spices and now I will add mustard paste. Now grind all the spices and grind the fish. It is a favorite dish of Bengalis and becomes even more desirable during the monsoon. Now add water and continue cooking. Cooking is almost done. Finally prepare delicious mustard hilsa. Try this recipe at home in this monsoon. It's amazing taste. Watch my video and subscribe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Stay safe.